Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and just gigantic volume, well above the normal volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward, and really a couple of key levels that really stand out to me from the technical point of view. And I don't want to come across like these are some sort of great discoveries on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. So that's why, like I said, these levels to me stand out and to many other traders. And that first level is just right here at the $4 and basically 35-cent mark. You can see earlier on in the day, that's where the price ultimately opened up. Sure, it dropped down there temporarily before spiking back to the upside. And then late day today, you can see that's essentially right where the price bounced off again. So this is definitely going to be a very key level of support now that is in play right now. Again, right there around $4 and 35 cents. Now, if 4.35 does not hold up, then I mean, no such thing as a guarantee. But at that point, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price at least go down to 4.15, if not probably even lower than that, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside of that 4.35. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, but like I said, I don't think anybody would be caught off guard or surprised if that then just opened up the more downwards pressure that ultimately, you know, pushed us down below 4.15 and maybe even the $4 mark. But on the flip side, the price did essentially go sideways all day long. So, I mean, of course, no guarantees, but I mean, it's not irrational to think that maybe some sort of upwards bounce could try to get underway here. But if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile upward bounce, then the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is the top portion of this little miniature channel that formed right here at $4.70. So 470, that first key level of resistance, and then the price can push up above there. Next key level up around 485. But like I said, if the price can, you know, like I said, stabilize and then work its way upwards, at that point, am I saying it goes up there and closes the gap at 650? I'm not saying that, but you know, just as far as what the chart is showing, I mean, it opens up quite a bit, and there just aren't any other data points that suggest any major areas of resistance. So in other words, the potential is there. Nice little risk versus reward setup. So let's see how this one plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.